Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the presentation. Tonight we're going to Taiwan. On the menu, spicy Taiwanese pepper shrimp. The morning mise en place, just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Heating some oil in the brazier. I add the garlic and the ginger and saute for a few seconds. And then I add the white portion of the spring onion. And then I add all the spices and give it a quick stir. Then I add the shrimp and the rice wine. Then I add the green part of the spring onion. After a quick saute, the final look in the brazier. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have fun cooking.